Howdy Aggies, my name is Desiree Stevens and today we will be talking about significant figures. When performing calculations in chemistry, the numbers used for the calculations determine the significant figures of the result. To know what to classify as significant, follow these three rules: non-zero numbers, zeros, and exact numbers. Rule number 1. All non-zero integers are significant. Pretty simple. Rule number 2. Zeros can be classified in three ways: leading, trailing, and captive. Leading zeros are not significant. Trailing zeros are only significant when there is a decimal point present. And finally, zeros that are between non-zero integers are always significant. Rule number 3. Exact numbers. Numbers that are obtained by simple counting rather than measurements or are conversions are considered exact numbers and do not count towards determining significant figures. Now the final number of significant figures in the answer is determined by what math process is used. When you multiply or divide the measurements, the significant figures will match the number that is present in the number with the least significant figures. When you add or subtract measurements, you go to the last common decimal place of all the measurements. Always remember to round appropriately once you determine the correct amount of significant figures. Let's do an example. If we were to convert 2.53 millimeters to centimeters, we would have to use the conversion factor to get from millimeters to meters, and then from meters to centimeters. 2.53 millimeters has three significant figures, and since these conversions are exact numbers, they will not affect the significant figures of the solution. The answer will end up containing three significant figures. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching.